Okay, we'll stay for another 1 minute till others come. If not, we'll continue our lesson. Okay, then we'll continue. As I said earlier, refraction means the bending of light ray when moving from one medium to another. So, in refraction, definitely there should be two different mediums. So, those two mediums are denser medium and rare medium. And here what I want to say is, we can't say that water is always denser. For an example, we can't say that always water is a denser medium. We can't say like that. Always glass is a rare medium. We can't say like that. It is just a comparison. That is, this medium is denser compared to this medium. This medium is rare compared to this medium. Likewise, a comparison is done when refraction is taking place between two mediums. Okay, so what you have to remember is there is refraction means bending of light when moving from one medium to another, and there are two mediums. There should be two medium in order for refraction to happen. That is denser medium and the rare medium. Wait, another one is there. There should be two mediums for a refraction to happen. That those two mediums are known as denser medium and rare medium. So we'll see how this happens. Okay, when it comes to this case, refraction case, here I'm telling that this is air and this is water, and this is glass, and this is air. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, always, this is the sun or something, that imagine that there is a source of light here and the rays, that light is put on the whiteboard. Even it is dark, I think it will be easier for us to switch off the light and do the class. Okay, then I'm going to incident some sort of ray of light from air towards the water, to water. Air වලින්ද water වලට incident කරන යන්නේ light of ray. So what is happening? මේ incident කරාම අපිට refract වෙන විදිය හොයා ගන්න නම් we have to first we have to draw a perpendicular or a normal ray which is perpendicular to the surface of water. Then මෙතන medium differentiation එකක් තිබුණ නැත්නම් මේ එයාම නම් මේ ray එක මෙහෙමම pass වෙනවා. But here there is a different medium and it is not air. Air වුණොත් මේක මේ විදියටම pass වෙනවා. හැබැයි මේක air නෙමෙයි. ඒක නිසා මොකක් හරි refraction එකක් වෙන්න ඕන. We'll see මම මේක මතක තියාගෙන ඉන්නේ මගේ විදියට. Now if you like, you can follow my way to remember this, okay? මම මතක තියාගන්නේ I like drama. So I'm going to circle these 3 letters of drama, and when it goes from denser to rare medium, I'm remembering that this is the third letter is A, no? So away from the normal, away from the normal, away from the normal. It refracts away from the normal. I like drama, so that I just remember it like when the light ray is moving from denser to rare medium, it moves away from the normal. And the opposite happens, or the opposite case happens if the ray is moving from rare to denser. If it is moving from denser to rare, it goes away from the normal. Then what should happen if it is moving from rare to denser medium? Definitely it should bend towards the normal. Okay. This is, I am only reminding this one. I like drama, so I am reminding that when a light ray is passing from denser to rare medium, it goes away from the normal. And here the opposite happen if the light ray is passing from rare to denser. So what is happening here? මෙතන යන්නේ එයා වලින් නම් water වලට. දැන් අපි කොහොමද හිතන්නේ මේ එයාද denser, water the denser කියලා අපිට හිතා ගන්න විදියක් නැහැ. So we should get some sort of an idea about this rareness and denseness. So the dense medium. So I'm giving you that air rare, the air is rare compared to water, and water is rare compared to glass. Okay, you have to remember this. Air is rare compared to water. Water is rare compared to glass, and water is denser compared to air. Okay, this equation may denser property එක වැඩි වෙන්න තමයි මේ පැත්තට යනකොට එන්නේ denser property එක denser property එක වැඩි වෙනවා. Okay, dense property, I don't know, dense වෙනවා වැඩි මේ පැත්තට යද්දී. Okay, air is rare than water. Water is rare than glass. Water is denser than air. Okay, so what is happening here? So according to this one, the two mediums in this here are air and water. So air is rare and water is denser. So when it is moving, it is not relevant to the drama case. It is relevant to the other one, moving from rare medium to denser medium, so that it should move towards the normal. So here, if it was air, it will go like this, but here it will bend towards the normal. It will pass bending towards the normal. It will bend towards the normal. Okay, I hope you understood. Then we'll see the other example. I would like if you write this in your book. Okay. Then the second example, I'm going to use this one also. Okay, then I'm going to take the second. Now I am imagining that this is water and this is air, and now I am assuming that light ray is incident from the water to air. So if this air was also water, it will definitely pass like this. No bending happens. But there is a differentiation in the medium. The medium is different because Light ray is moving from water to air. So what should happen is, we know that water is denser. According to this one, water is denser compared to air, so that air is the rare medium. So here light ray is passing from denser medium to rare medium. So what should happen? This is according to the drama case. Denser to rare, so that away from the normal should happen. So here normal is this, and you might think, අපි දැන් මෙහෙම ඇඳත් මේක away from the normal, කොහොමත් away from the normal. But අපි අඳින්න ඕනේ actually මේක එයාම වුණොත් යන path එක අපි imagine කරගෙන අන්න ඒකට away වෙන්න තමයි අඳින්න ඕනේ. ඒකටයි normal එකටයි දෙකටම away වෙන්න මේ අපේ මේක මේ medium එකත් water ම වුණොත් යන path එකයි normal එකයි දෙකටම away වෙන්න තමයි අපි අඳින්න ඕනේ අපේ reflected ray එක. තව ළමයි කටලව ගන්න තැනක් තමයි they will call this as the angle of refraction. අන්න එතකොට වැරදි. refraction angle එක කියන්නේ normal එකයි refracted ray එකයි between තියෙන angle එක. incident angle එක කියන්නේ normal එකයි අපේ incident කරපු ray එකයි between තියෙන angle එක. මොකද ළමයි සමහර කරන්නේ මේක name කරනවා incident angle එක විදියට, මේක name කරනවා refracted angle එක විදියට. එතකොට ඉතින් ගාන ඔක්කොම වැරදෙනවා. Okay, these are the two cases. What you have to remember is this, and remember this drama case if you like that. Okay, if you have another trick, you can use that trick to remember that the denser to rare way, or like that thing. Okay, so this is the case. So we are going to move to the other part. Hope you understand. I will give some 10 seconds or 20 seconds for you to write this down. I'm not going to write in this pot after this because it is glistening, shiny. So hope you have written something. I will send a complete note, and it is better if you can send after this lesson. If it is better if you can send the note you have written while you were writing, so I can correct if any mistake was there. Oh, okay. Then refraction topic is then under the now we are discussing the cases related to refraction. Okay. Now, so one part of refraction is over. Now we are shifting to the other part. Exam එකේදී අහන්න පුළුවන් දෙයක් තමයි ඒගොල්ලන් දෙනවා අපිට glass block එකක්. Glass block එකක් විතර ඒගොල්ලන් කියනවා observer ඉන්නේ air එකේ කියලා. And they are naming this as a glass block. This is air. Okay. We'll assume that this is a fish tank. Glass block and fish tank. Here the observer is not looking at the glass of the fish tank. The observer is looking at the water in the fish tank. Okay, looking above the water in the fish tank. Okay, so here fish is. They assume that there is a fish. Okay, then they are asking. Draw the ray diagram for the appearance of the image. No, draw the ray diagram for the draw the ray diagram for the formation of image of the fish. Right? And give as the second part they will ask at which position will the image of the fish observed by the observer. එතකොට අපි මේ ray diagram එක ඇඳගෙන ඉන්න අඳින්න දැනගෙන. So we see කොහොමද මේ ray diagram එක අඳින්නේ. So සතියේ හිටපු නැති අයට important point එකක් මේ කියන්නේ. Always light rays are passing from object to the eye. Okay. Object එකේ ඉඳන් තමයි eye එකට ray එකක් යන්නේ. හරිද? ඒක you have to remember that thing, very very important. So here's the object. No? Here's the eye of the person. So මේ object එකේ ඉඳන් තමයි අපේ මේ light rays ඔක්කොම ටික originate වෙන්න ඕනේ. So what I'm going to do is, this is our glass block. I'm going to do 2 lines from the tail. Okay, then අපි ඇයි මේ 2 rays අඳින්නේ? අපි අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම එක end එක මේ point එකේ position එක දැනගන්න නම් ඒ point එකේ මේ object එකේ මේ point එක තියෙන්නේ කොහෙද කියලා දැනගන්න නම් අපි අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම rays දෙකක් මේ point එකේ ඉඳන් ඒ point එකේ ඉඳන් rays දෙකකට ray diagram එක අඳින්න ඕනේ. මේ point එක කොහෙද කියලා දැනගන්න. දැන් එයාගේ මවුත් එක කොහෙද කියලා දැනගන්න නම් ඒකටත් අපිට lines දෙකක් අඳින්න වෙනවා. ඕකේ. එයාගේ මවුත් එක කොහෙද කියලා දැනගන්න නම් අපි දැන් අපේ ටෙක්ස්ට් බුක් එකේ fish කෙනෙක් වරන්නේ නැහැ. මොකද fish කෙනෙක් අරගත්තොත් අපිට එයාගේ මවුත් එක කොහෙද තියෙන්නේ කියලා හොයන්න වෙනවා. එයාගේ tail එක කොහෙද තියෙන්නේ කියලා හොයන්න නම් මොකද එයාගේ shape එක වෙනස් නේ. ඒක නිසා මේ අපේ ටෙක්ස්ට් බුක් එකේ අරන් තියෙන්නේ stone එක. Okay. අපිට ඉතින් fish කෙනෙක් දුන්නත් අපිට පුළුවන් එයාගේ එක point එකක් අරගෙන අපි මේ tail එක join වෙන තැන විතරක් හොයා ගන්නවා. ඊට පස්සේ අපි assume කරනවා මේ fish මෙහෙම form වෙනවා ඇති කියලා. මේ fish ගේ tail එක තියෙන තැන ඉඳන් අපි එහෙම අඳින්නකො fish එකම. Okay. Let's see, here's the fish. Is there? I'm going to find the place where this point of the fish tail appears as an image. Make an image එක form මේ tail එකේ මේ image එක කොහෙද form වෙන්නේ කියලා බලන්න යන්නේ මේ fish ගේ tail එකේ. Observe එක. වෙන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා. So I am going to එක point එකක image position එක දැනගන්න නම් අපිට rays දෙකක් අඳින්න. එතකොට මම ඒක ඉස්සෙල්ලා කිව්වා. එතකොට අපිට normal එකක් අඳින්න වෙනවා. Normal. This will be very hard, no? Refraction angle again. Okay. Then this is denser. This is rare because air, water, and glass. We are taking those things. So, yeah, compared to glass, air is rare. So that air is rare medium. Here, glass is the denser medium. So when we know that when here light ray is entering from denser to rare, when a light ray is entering from denser to rare, the light ray is moving away from the normal. Here it will move like this if it was glass all. Make a glass වුණොත් මේ විදියටම refract වෙනවා. හැබැයි මෙහෙම වෙන්නේ නැහැ. Away from the normal and this line යනවා මොකද මේක එයා නිසා. එතකොට here also what is happening? මේක මෙහෙම යනවා. අපේ refraction එකක් වුණේ නැත්තම් mediums එක වෙනස් වුණේ නැත්තම් හැබැයි එහෙම යන්නේ නැහැ මොකද mediums එක වෙනස්. මේක density rare යන නිසා away from the normal යන්නේ. So away from the normal. But this line should have a lesser refraction angle than this one. Because here when you are drawing you will understand if the incident ray is greater then the refraction angle is also greater. So here this refraction incident angle is lesser than this this incident angle. So that this refraction angle is lesser than this refraction angle. Okay, when you are drawing it in your book you will observe it clearly because I am drawing without a sketch, without a scale, so that the probability of my images to be incorrect will be high. So definitely you will see it when you are drawing it when you drawing it in your book. Okay, so what we do is then මේ lines දෙක දැක්කම අපිට කොච්චර මේ lines දෙක extend කරත් will it be able for us to see an image? No, because මේ lines එක කවදාවත් meet වෙන්නේ නැහැ මේක කොච්චර extend කරත් infinity මයි යන්නේ. So that we have to do something. We have to extend it into the water. Okay, here the refracted ray. Here the reflection, this ray also extended. So on හරියටම මෙන්න මෙතන උඩ හරියටම but above the fish, above the position of the original fish, but at the same position where the fish tail this point was situated. Okay, so that ඔන්න අපි හිතනවා මේක තමයි මේ point එකනේ අපි මේ point එකේ image එක නේ so that we can assume and draw the fish. So image of the fish is forming at this side. Okay, then real light rays are passing to this side, but here real rays are not passing to this side because මේ light එක අපි මේ පැත්තේ join වෙන්නේ නැති නිසා තමයි මේ පැත්තට extend කරලා image එක හඳගත්තේ. එහෙම නැතුව මේ පැත්තෙන් ඇත්තටම light rays යන්නේ නැහැ, but however image is formed. So that the එහෙම image එකක් form වෙන නිසා තමයි අපි මේ virtual lines කියලා දෙයක් imagine කරගෙන අඳින්න ගත්තේ. දැන් ඇත්තටම light rays යන්නේ නැහැ. We cannot see light, but however image is forming. ඒක නිසා තමයි අපි assume කරනවා දැන් මෙහෙම light rays ගිහිලා තමයි මෙයාව හැදෙන්නේ. ඒක නිසා තමයි මේකට virtual lines කියන්නේ. So when you are drawing your diagram, these rays should be virtual and also this fish is also virtual. Okay, the image of the fish is also virtual. So here this is the real depth where the fish is positioned, but this is the apparent depth where the observer can see the fish. Observer will see that අපි fisherman කෙනෙක් නම් අපි එයාට මොකක් හරි කියන්නේ fishing rod එකක් දැම්මොත් අපි මේ පැත්තෙන් දාන එක නම් චුට්ටක් දැම්මට හරියන්නේ නැහැ. ඊට වෙඩි චුට්ටක් තමයි අපිට දාන්න fishing rod එක. මොකද මාළුවා ඉන්නේ ඇත්තට මෙයාට. හැබැයි අපිට පේන්නේ යා උඩ ඉන්නවා වගේ. දැන් fish අපි අත දාලා ගන්න යනවා නම් අපි දානවට වැඩි අපි හිතන් ඉන්නවට වැඩි යට තමයි මේ fish ඉන්නේ. but අපිට පේන්නේ යා ටිකක් උඩ ඉන්නවා වගේ. Okay, I'll give time for you to draw this. හැබැයි this is only valid if the observer's eye is directly upwards to the water inside the tank. Or it can be, if the eye is there, he can't observe the refraction. Eye should be definitely here. And අපි radiogram එක අඳිද්දි eye එකක් තිබුණේ නැත්නම් ඒකත් වැරදි. Image එක form වෙන එක බලන්න eye එකක් අඳින්න ඕනේ. දැන් මේ infinity වල ඇඳෙනවා නම් මෙන්න මෙතන eye එක place කරන්න ඕනේ. ray diagrams. මේ වගේ image එක බලලා අපිට eye එක place කරන්න. Okay, I'll give some 1 or 2 minutes. ඔයගලන්ට ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවනම් mic එක on කරලා අහන්න මොකද? දැන් කට්ටිය අඩුයි. Okay. Hope you have finished. Is that so? So, shall I raise the board? Shall I raise the board? Okay. Hope you have finished. However, I'll send you a note, complete note. මේක ගොඩක් වෙලාට අහලා තියෙනවා මම O level කරද්දිත් මේක අහලා තියෙනවා ප්‍රශ්නයක් විදියට ටර්ම් ටෙස්ට් එකකට. ඉතින් මේක හටලා ගත්ත මටත් මතකයි. Okay. Then මගෙන් මේ එක්කෙනෙක් ස්ටැලන් අහලා තිබුණා. දැන් අපි කතා කරන්නේ denser to rare යද්දී away යනවා. Rare to denser යද්දී toward යනවා towards යනවා කියන්නේ. එතකොට then he asked what if it incident with an angle 90 degrees normal to the ray normal to the medium. Okay. So එහෙම වුණොත් ඇහුවනේ මේ ඇහුවා එහෙම වුණොත් ඒක perpendicular ම pass වෙනවා නේද කිසිම refraction එකක් වෙන්නේ නැහැ නේද කියලා. Oh, that is true. If a ray incident normal to the medium or with 90 degrees to the medium, there will be no reflection. No refraction will be taken place, even though there is a phase difference. Phase medium difference. Medium එක different උනා bend light එක bend වෙන්නේ නැහැ. මේ perpendicular incident උනා. Okay. Then we'll move on to the other part. That is the refraction that is taking place in convex mirrors and concave mirrors. Only 5 minutes remaining, so I hope to give you a 10 minutes break. After 10 minutes, we'll continue the lenses, the refraction taking place in lenses. So you can even go take a tea break or something else. You can do anything you want. But I'm supposing to give a 10-minute break for you. So after 10 minutes, we'll end the lesson after one meeting. Okay. Only we have to discuss about the refraction that is taking place in lenses. Okay. If you have any doubt, if you have any question, please WhatsApp me. I can send you the replies now. Okay. So I'm going to end this meeting. After 10 minutes, I'm going to restart the meeting. Okay. And I also want to say, I want to thank everyone who joined to the meeting today. Okay. Thank you. We'll restart after, and I'll tell you the exact time. At about 5:35, we'll restart the meeting again. Okay.